Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Dodge's 1997 to 2004 Dakota. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any liners, lines, and power harnesses from the work area. We recommend removing your bed to help with welding angles, followed by removing the factory bed mount bolt. Step 3. Begin removing the factory bed mount. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Hold the mount up to the frame while using the residual silhouette to help with alignment and tack weld it into place. Confirm its position and continue. Step 4. Begin welding the mount into place around all edges. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your bed and bed bolt, and you're done.